Hey guys, welcome to the channel. आज हम सीखने वाले हैं और भी कुछ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस, so let's go. इसे संभालो, handle this, handle this. इसे पकड़ो, hold this, hold this. इसे लो, take it, take it. सावधान रहो, be careful, be careful. धीरे चलो, go slowly, go slowly. जरा रुको, hold on, hold on. इसे करो, do it, do it. इसे मत करो, don't do it, don't do it. इसे अभी करो, do it now, do it now. इसे फिर से करो, do it again, do it again. इसे दोबारा मत करना, don't do it again, don't do it again. कैसे हो, how are you, how are you. बहुत बढ़िया, excellent, excellent. क्या हो रहा है, what's up, what's up. कुछ नहीं, nothing, nothing. खुश रहो, be happy, be happy. चिंता मत करो, don't worry, don't worry. ये आपके लिए है, this is for you, this is for you. मुझे दिखाओ, show me, show me. मुझे ये अच्छा लगा, I like it, I like it. ये सही है, that's right, that's right. Thank you for listening to the video. Do subscribe, like और share भी करना मत भूलना.